Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're getting all fixed up. I'm gonna reinstall a wig. So I'm just here having some curry chicken and rice. Me and Adriana. Come Adriana. How was the food, Adriana? How was it?
It was hot.
It was hot?
Yeah, and it was the pot burning me. Carry out with the hollow.
I'm just waiting for this to dry. I'm gonna use my dryer. Then hot. Lime and ginger. So I'm just gonna use the scissors and cut the excess stocking cap. So I'm gonna use about 3 layers of this glue right here. This is the one that I will be using. I don't want to do it too thick because it will take a while to dry, so I just want to add it as possible, because I will be adding like 3 layers of glue. So I'm adding it thin as possible. I'm gonna use my tail comb and I'm gonna just spread it. I'm going to spread it evenly. Already prepped our wig. Eh? Let me turn it down. So go with this.
Where you trying to?
Pass the gel, Andrew. Pass the gel, give me, please. The gel. Give me a seat on the bed. So I'm gonna make my edges. Yeah. Yep. You know, here enough. Adriana? Adriana, what's she there?
You left your crocs? Once the guy get left, them know, so crocs can't left. Chop off the crocs.
So this is it. I'm going to flat iron off camera. This is it. I'm just gonna fix. I'm just gonna fix this edges right here. So this is the look. So I'm just gonna draw my eyebrows. Just gonna fix my eyebrows with some eyebrow pencil and concealer. I'm gonna flat iron off camera. Just gonna put in my earrings. So I'm just gonna show you guys a lip combo. And by the way, this is LA Girl concealer. These are Kiss brush. So I'm just going to show you my lip combo that I always do. So I'm just gonna use some tissue and wipe off the excess concealer. I'm just outlining it a bit there. You're easy, you know. When you can't help yourself, that's how you go. Okay, so for the lip combo, I'm gonna use this lip gloss. I'm gonna use my mascara. Oops. My mascara. I was gonna do cluster, but I changed my mind, so I'm just gonna use some mascara to just give the eyes a pop. So this is the final look. I'm going to flutter in the ear of camera. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you guys have yourselves a wonderful day. Keep safe until next time. Bye.